Hi guys, good morning. Welcome na naman sa ating Hamster Combat. For this video tutorial guys, walang iba, syempre kundi ang Daily Cipher na araw ng Thursday, June 20 guys. So ang ating Daily Cipher is fork, F-O-R-K. So for this video tutorial guys, ituturo lang natin syempre kung ano ba yung pinaka kinakailangan natin for the Morse code. So yung F is dot, dot, dash, dot. Yung O, tatlong dash. Yung R, dot, dash, dot. And then yung K is dash, dot, dash. Okay, so huwag na natin patagalin guys. So click natin yung earn per tap ng tatlong beses. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, tapos yung F is dot, dot, dash, dot. So dot, dot, dash, dot, and then dash, dash, sorry, ulitin natin ulit, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dash, dot, tapos dash, 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 tapos dot, dash, dot, tapos dash, dot, dash. Okay, so yan yung pinaka ano natin guys, Daily Cipher. So again, F-O-R-K, fork. Ang F is dalawang dash, 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 tapos, dalawang dot. So dot, dot, dash, dot. Ang letter O is tatlong dash. Ang R is dot, dash, and then dot. And then ang letter K, yung pinaka last is dash, dot, dash. Okay, so take the prize para sa ating 1 million additional points. Okay, so again, that is our daily cipher for today, June 20, araw po ng Thursday. And then guys, bago tayo mag-end, no, huwag nyo rin kalimutan pala yung pinaka dito sa earn. Ayan, yung daily reward guys, ayan, kahapon nakuha ko yung pinaka 5 million for the 10 days ng ano ng pagki-claim or pagla-login dito sa ating daily reward. So ngayon, day 1 claim na natin. Ayan, so additional na 500 points. Okay, hanggang sa day 10, meron kayong additional na 5 million. Okay? So again, wag na wag niyo kakalimutan 'yan, guys. Tapos, ayan, happy playing lang, guys. Click, 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 tap, 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 tap lang. Okay? So, thank you so much sa panonood.